At the Palladio Door collection, we know what your home means to you, which is why we present to you the most secure, highly energy efficient and aesthetically pleasing doors that will stand the test of time. Every Palladio door is built with uncompromising security. From our 10-point locking system to the Renolit foil finish that never fades, we ensure your door stays as steadfast and vibrant as the day it was installed. Fiberglass reinforcements are layered in, forming our monocoque structure, a single, seamless unit where body and frame are one. Then comes the Pure XO core. Engineered to lock out noise, drafts and weather, it transforms each door into a shield, quiet, efficient and resilient. At every step, precision drives us. Mechanical presses bind layers with industrial strength, while our technicians measure, inspect and refine. Security isn't an afterthought. With our signature 10-point locking system and 316 marine-grade stainless steel components, every Palladio door stands firm, ready to protect what matters most. Our Renolit foil isn't just a finish, it's a statement. Fade-proof, weatherproof and endlessly stylish, and will stay looking beautiful for decades. The Palladio and Avant-Garde doors are double rebated as standard. That means you have a double seal for superior air tightness and security. Combined with a 65mm monocoque structure, our doors are engineered for comfort and built to last. Edges are sealed, surfaces perfected, because we know every detail counts, outside and in. We cut with millimeter-perfect accuracy. Inside our factory, we craft every glass unit in-house. Triple glazed, argon-filled and designed for maximum thermal efficiency. Every panel is sealed and secured. Whether you prefer frosted, textured or clear, your vision becomes part of the design, with zero compromise on strength. Before any door leaves our factory, it's tested. Hinges, locks, structure, nothing goes unchecked. Then it's protected, packaged and prepared for delivery, because our job isn't finished until your door arrives flawless. From factory to doorstep, your Palladio door is handled with care, installed with precision, ready to transform your home. But the real difference? You feel it the moment you step inside. It's warmth on a winter night when the wind is howling and your family is gathered just inside. It's silence when the street is noisy but your living room stays peaceful. It's knowing your home is safe, even when you're away. A Palladio door isn't just a component, it's a character in your story. The backdrop to greetings, goodbyes and everything in between. We offer a wide range of colors, finishes and styles, whether you love timeless design or bold statements. And if you want to bring your vision to life, visit our online door designer. Every panel, every handle, every glass style, yours to personalize. Prefer to see the difference for yourself? Visit our showroom and experience the weight, the texture, the unmistakable quality of a Palladio door. From country homes to modern builds, our doors are chosen for their strength and loved for their style. Thousands of homeowners across the country trust Palladio for a reason. We deliver more than just a door. We deliver peace of mind. With every hinge, every glaze, every groove, we design for real life, for families, for moments, for the long run. From our workshop to your home, a Palladio door isn't just installed, it becomes part of your story. Secure, serene, unmistakably yours.